It's really not cute. Let me try that again. In order, which is from least to greatest. Ordered pairs are going to be in parentheses if there are any. And we don't have any repeats. So even though there might be a value that appears more than once in either the domain or the range, just don't repeat them. Simple as that. And we'll look at some examples like that here in just a moment. Okay? Let's move along now. This is a graph, of course. I don't expect you to graph it. Today we're going to be looking for domain on this particular graph. Remember, domain is all the values here where x is located. So then you just travel along that x-axis and find where you have points that are located. So there's one here, there's one up here, and then there's actually two that are located on that line, and then one over here. So then when you go to write your domain, you would write it as indicating you're looking for the domain. Start with a bracket. Guys, as long as your bracket doesn't look like a letter or a number, just kind of a squiggly line, let it be. I am the worst at drawing these brackets. Sometimes I get pretty proud of myself, but for the most part, they're pretty awful. So in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, and then 5. Notice, even though there are 2 points located at 3, I'm still only listing it once. Okay? Now the next one is actually a table. I'm going to have you draw the table on that one. This one you didn't need to draw, but I see some of you are still writing, so I'm going to let you finish whatever it is you're writing. All right, let's go to the next one. This one is a table. Let's go ahead and draw that table for me, please. All right, so here we are looking for range, and our range values are here. So when we go to write our range, we start with an R for range, colon, bracket, or squiggly line in my case, and we list them in order again from least to greatest with no repeats. So -2, 3, and then 7. And then close with a, whoa, my pen skipped. Let's try that again. There it is. That one's not so bad. Well, yeah, it is. Notice 7 is listed 3 times, but I'm still only listing it once down here. Okay? Questions about that one? Okay, moving along. Go ahead and write these ordered pairs down. All right, so that's a range of 3 and 7. Here's the next one. This one is a mapping, something fun, something different. I say fun, but y'all probably roll your eyes. So in this case, we're looking for domain. Remember, domain and range, these are your domain values, these are your range values. Domain is always first, even though they're not labeled. So domain. The good thing is about mapping is the values are already in order, so it helps us out. So we have 15, 16, 17, Done. Go ahead and be sure to draw that mapping along with this so that you have it as an example. I'll give you a second to get that jotted down. All right, let's try the next one. I want you to try it on your, oops, I'm muted. Let's try the next one. I want you to try it on your own and then check your answer. I think I'm going to stop there. I feel like this is a pretty simple concept for you guys to get down. You do have quizzes to take care of today, so go ahead and start taking care of that. As usual, you can log off as long as you take care of business. Be sure that you are working on the quizzes and then taking your notes for tomorrow. Have a great Monday. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.